So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now take a look at this movement right here, guys, on GBPUSD. You can see that we are now expecting inflation. So let's start with our food trend. The overall trend on our GBP are not trending. I mean, if you had to look at it from that bigger picture, this movement was around year 2022, right? So from year 2022 to year 2026, you can see that GBP has been giving us one movement, which is an upward movement. So market has been pushing up. Now, if you take a look at the recent movement that GBP literally gave us, this is a previous movement, and guess what market did? Market literally dropped. It literally gave us a series of lower low and lower high, right? Market has literally been dropping. It gave us a series of lower low and lower high. Guess what market did next? Market eventually gave us a reversal pattern. You all know what a reversal pattern means. It means once you see the pattern, this market has not changed its trend. Remember, previously it was in a downtrend move. The market eventually gave us this double bottom, and you can see double bottom is now a reversal movement. So with this double bottom, market now eventually gave us a pullback, right? Now this is the movement. At first market drop, first touch, then it push up, then drop again to give us the second touch, but it pushed up again to break the neckline, right? It broke our neckline. Now market has given us a pullback, and now market should continue to push up. So this is what we'll be expecting on GBPUSD, a continuous bullish one. So this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe. So with what we are seeing right here, GBPUSD should continue to push up to take out this high. You can see this week here. As you can see, GBPUSD must push up to take this. Once it takes this high, then a pullback will likely to play out or another push up. So it will be best if you can go ahead to buy and hold your buy position till the weekend. But if you're a day trader, I will advise you to wait for market to break this high. Then you can look for a pullback, which you go ahead and sell. Then after the sell, you can now look for a buy setup that will buy. But if you are a swing trader, going for your buy and hold your buy position till Friday, market would have given you nothing less than for the